Look at these videos. Currently, abandoned-style AI videos are getting millions of views on YouTube and Instagram. For instance, this video has reached 130 million views. If we calculate at a 50-cent RPM, this single video has earned over $65,000. I have personally started experimenting with this niche. The best part is that you can create these videos entirely for free in just a few minutes. I am AD Mobhoob, and I will teach you that secret method. Let's get started. The main reason these videos go viral is realism. Platforms like TikTok and Shorts are currently addicted to realistic, lifelike videos. That is why realism-based videos are getting so much traction. To create these shorts, we will follow 3 steps. Number 1, image generation. Number 2, image to video. Number 3, professional editing. Step 1, image generation. First, we need a photo of an abandoned place. You can take a screenshot from a video of a popular account. For example, I have taken a screenshot from one of Shake's videos here. Next, open your phone's browser and go directly to the Gemini site. Go to Tools and select the Create Image option. Now, paste the prompt that I have provided. After pasting the prompt, upload the screenshot image you took earlier. Once uploaded, you need to make 2 small changes to the prompt. First, look at the character in the reference image you used. Here it is Shake, and in the To From section, since I want to create an image of the Hulk, I have mentioned Hulk there. Similarly, you should mention the name of the character you want to create. So you must make these 2 small changes. If you just copy-paste my prompt as is, you won't get the character accurately. You must make these 2 adjustments. After that, click directly on Submit. You can use any character you want, be it Hulk, Motu, Putlu, or anyone else. But remember, mention the character name from your screenshot, and in the To section, mention the character you want to appear in the new image. Then click Submit. We've clicked Submit, and now Nano Banana is starting to load to generate our new image. Look, our image is ready. But the problem here is that the Hulk looks exactly the same as usual. The abandoned look for Hulk hasn't appeared yet, so you have to try again. You can go to Edit and make a small change, like adding a space to trigger an update. Click Update, and it will start generating the image again. It's loading, but it created the same image again. Since we need an abandoned-style image, it's not giving it correctly yet. Because we're using the free version of Gemini, or Nano Banana, it might struggle with the abandoned look sometimes. In this case, what we can do is copy this prompt and open a new window. Paste the prompt here, go to Tools, click Image Creator again, and upload our reference screenshot. Then submit it again. Nano Banana is loading once more. And now, look, we have a perfect image. We finally got that abandoned Hulk look. Whenever you face this issue, just open a new window and try again. However, we won't make a video using just one image. We will take at least 3 different angles of the same image. It's even better if you work with multiple characters. It helps the short perform better. So now we will take a close-up shot of the Hulk. I will provide all the prompts for you. I've entered a small prompt for a close-up shot and clicked Submit. Nano Banana is loading again. Look at that! Gemini has now prepared a close-up shot of the Hulk. So our 2 images are ready. Now for the third one. I want to create a side angle shot of the Hulk. I've written a prompt asking for a side angle of the same image. Now click Submit again. It didn't give a side angle shot. It's almost the same close-up. So we will update it again. Now it has created something closer to a side angle image. Since the video is getting long, I won't try further. We needed a side angle, and we'll use this. Now let's download the images. This is our first image, downloaded, and here is our close-up shot. We have downloaded all 3 images. Now let's move to the second step, the process of turning images into video. Step 2, image to video. Now we will convert these downloaded photos into video. Today, we're using Kling AI. I'll provide the link in the description. Go to your phone's browser and log in to Kling AI. After logging in, upload our photo into the first frame. Once uploaded, go to the prompt area below the photo and paste the prompt I provided. Now look below, you can select a 5-second or 10-second duration. Let's pick 5 seconds. In the output options, you can choose how many versions you want. If you select 2, it will animate the same video twice. Since credits are involved, we will generate 1 output per image. It's asking for 50 credits. Click on Generate. You can see a previous video I tried below, and here you can see Kling AI has started converting our image into video. I'll fast forward this part. Okay, our video is ready. Click Download to save the video. The video is downloading. Using the same prompt, you can prepare the rest of your images. Now for our third step, professional video editing. Don't just upload the video directly. Use CapCut or any other video editor. Add VFX, use video transitions, and finally, add background music that fits your video. These background music, transitions, and sound effects will double your video's engagement. If you face any issues while making this video, just comment AI below. To get more AI updates like this, subscribe and join the AIIT Guy family. Thank you.